How to change investment in Fidelity Roth IRA. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this following video I'm going to show you how you can change investment within Fidelity Roth IRA. So you typically need to access your account online or through Fidelity's mobile app. So here's a general guide on how you can do this. First of all, log in into your Fidelity account. You're going to either visit the website or sign up using your application. So I'm going to use a web browser. So for that, open up a web browser. On the web address bar, type in fidelityinvestment.com. This is going to take you to the official interface. So from here you need to log in. And once you're logged in, you need to locate Roth IRA account in the list of your accounts you have with Fidelity. After that, look for the option like trade or transaction within the Roth IRA account details. Once you've done that, you need to review your current investment within the Roth IRA and select the one you wish to change. So now if you want to sell the current investment to buy something else, choose the sell option. If you want to exchange it for a different investment without selling it for cash, first choose exchange. After that, you need to follow the prompt to select the new investments you want to buy within the Roth IRA account. After that, you need to review your selection carefully before confirming the transaction for any fees, potential taxes, implications, and ensure that transactions align with your investment strategies as well. Now, once you've reviewed and confirmed your choices, complete the transaction according to the Fidelity's prompt. Now, remember that specific steps might vary slightly based on Fidelity's interface update or any changes. In this way, you can change investment in Fidelity Roth IRA. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.